Hello from the Mac Corner. Today we have some really great 15-inch 2019 MacBook Pros. These are 16 gig 256. We have 3 of these computers. I've been told that a week from today is Thanksgiving, and then after that is Black Friday, and it's the buying season for Christmas. Come on into the Mac Corner and get your computers. We have great options in terms of financing. We have Caffeine, and we also have a SEMA. And you could find that on our website. We have some great iMacs for sale. We have a 27-inch iMac. It's a little bit older, but $599, really wonderful screen. We just got in a M2 MacBook Air that we're going to put out shortly. And we're getting out some other computers that you would really like for the Christmas holiday season to buy for presents. Come on into the Mac Corner and get your computer now.